Hello! So in today's lesson, we are going to be doing something similar to the last lesson, but we are going to be using uh, 2D shapes that go upwards into the sky. And to do that, it's very simple. So last lesson, you guys got up to, most of you got up to the sword, and you couldn't manage to get past the sword, which is fine. So I'm going to show you what I mean to build up towards the sky. So we're going to open our code builder. And for example, we have this tree here. So if I now type in tree, there we go. You can see, well, actually it's not a tree. it's a mushroom, but that's fine. You can see that it's on the ground, right? So how do we make it so that it's not on the ground? Well, we can just change these values here. So instead of using the last column, I'm using the second column, like so. I'll do the same for here. Actually, we'll get rid of this just so it's easier. And I'll actually turn this into a tree by turning it green. There we go. And now, when I type in tree, hopefully it will build upwards. There we go. So you can see now that it's built upwards, right? So this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be building our pixel art in the y-axis, going upwards, like so. So this should be a fairly easy lesson, nothing too difficult. The next lesson is going to be a lot more difficult. We're going to be using functions. But yeah, this is all you need to do. And it's really important that you actually do your homework for this lesson, because for your homework, you're going to be building out your favorite food. So you can see this is steak. And also here we have a piece of fried chicken. You're going to be drawing your favorite food on the homework worksheet, plotting out the coordinates on your homework worksheet, and then that will be the first thing you do in our lesson. So make sure you do the homework, because it's really important that you do that. And you can build all these wonderful things. Perfect. So yeah, that's it for this lesson. This is a really short video because we've already covered a lot of it last lesson, and as long as you do the homework, you should be pretty well on your way to being able to do this lesson. So just to review, instead of using the last column, we're using the second column, and we're keeping the last column as it is, like so. And matter of fact, we could even start from 0 here. And this would make it so that the pixel art actually touches the ground. There we go. So now it's on the ground, as opposed to this one here, which is not on the ground. As you can see, there's a gap between the ground and the tree. Good. So have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Goodbye.